Our topic is about text control on worksheet. As you can see here in our exercise file, we have a lot of issues. This inventory list, it's overlap the second column, and also here our description, some text is not visible here, look. So I will show you how to manage this issue. Mostly in our worksheet, we'll put our header here at the center of this table. So we'll use our text control format. So just highlight this one, then press your Control 1. Just select this merge cell, then OK. Look what happened. Now we have merge cell at the center. Now we have another issue here. Look, this address I want to put into single cell here. So how we manage this one? Again, just press Control, then 1, and select this wrap text here. Hit OK. Now it's showing address in one cell. And also, how about this issue? There's a lot of not visible word in our description. So how we manage this one? We'll just only select this particular column, then Control 1, and now we just only uncheck this one, then select this shrink to fit and hit OK. Look what happened. This one. If we will adjust this column smaller, look what happened. Automatically our description also will adjust. Even you will make it closer, again will adjust. So this is how the importance of this text control inside the cell. Thank you and God bless.